Hi, my name is Pat, and I'm here to give my testimonial. I've used Dr. David Buckholter in South Palm Orthopedics, Dr. Russell Weiss, and Dr. Stephen Meadows. I've had surgery for all three. They each specialize in different extremities. They have a staff that's very friendly and caring, and they each did surgery on me. Dr. Buckholter, I have two hips. Dr. Meadows did an ulnar nerve in my arm, and Dr. Russell Weiss, he had helped me with a fracture of my right arm. So I recommend them highly to anyone that needs orthopedic surgery. I got very good results. I recommend them very highly. Their entire office staff is there to help you. So I hope that you choose South Palm Orthopedics for all your orthopedic needs. Thank you.